Hey, all you Illinois residents. It's time for you to join Team St. Clair by visiting the COVID-19 mass vaccination site at the Belle Claire Fairgrounds in Belleville, Illinois. The site is open every day except Wednesday. We want you to join them in being part of the solution. All right, that makes me feel good to send out that note. Good luck to all you fine folks in Illinois. God bless you.
Good afternoon. Welcome to day 425 at the EMA office. Joined with Brian Whitaker, Chairman Kern, and we've got the numbers for today. Brian?
Yes, sir. In St. Clair County, we have tested 350,546, and that's an increase of 902 since yesterday. Positive test results are 30,766. That's an increase of 26 since yesterday. That is males and females under the age of 1 up into their 80s. That brings our daily county positivity to 2.9%. Negative test results are 319,780. And our death total related to COVID-19 remains at 477. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 30,068. For state totals, they've tested 23,505,414. Positive test results of 1,359,748, which is an increase of 1,795 since yesterday. The state announced an additional 24 COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 22,285. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 11 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness with 0 patients on ventilators. Regionally, there are 27 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness with 1 patient on a ventilator. We have no changes at our congregate living facilities, and while the numbers look good today, we can't let our guard down. Testing is still very critically important. If you feel like you've been exposed to someone with COVID-19 or you're displaying symptoms of COVID-19 yourself, testing is available Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at St. Clair Square from 8 to 4, and also at various pharmacies and express medical facilities throughout the county. I'll turn it over to the chairman for his update.
Thanks, Brian. Okay, let's take a look at the zip codes. 62201 up 1 to 615. 62203 up 1 to 667. 62205 also up 1 to 680. 62206 is up 6 today to 1,422. 62207 up 1 to 640. 62208 up 1 to 1,738. 62220 up 1 to 2,190. 62221 up 2 to 2,940. 62223 up 2 to 1,861. 62226 up 3 to 3,376. 62243 down 1 to 806. 62254 down 1 to 822. And 62258 down 1 to 1,098. 62269 up 2 today to 3,446. And finally, 62285 up 1 to 601. The metrics, we got a lot of downs today. That's a good thing. We have 26 new positives in the county out of 902 people tested, which brings our daily county positivity down below 3 to 2.9%. The 7-day rolling average is also down, and we're now at 3%. And the regional positivity goes down today to 2.6%. That's because Bond County, one of our neighboring counties that's part of our region, called in at 7.7%. Clinton, 0.4%. Madison is at 3.7% today. Monroe is at 1.6%. Randolph is at 0.5%. St. Clair, 2.3%, and Washington County, 2.1%. So Herb, the numbers remain low. 11 in the hospital, that's not a good thing to have anyone in the hospital, but no one's on a ventilator. And that is one of the lowest numbers we've had in a long time. I think we've got down to 10, but we've yet to get to single digits in the hospital.
Well, that's what we got to keep pushing for. The numbers are going in the right direction, and that's the good thing. Brian, any word on the 12-year-old vaccination?
So the ACIP group met today for the CDC, and they did approve the FDA's recommendation for use on 12 to 15-year-olds. I spoke with Mila from the health department just a short time ago. They're waiting on IDPH to transition everything to accept that recommendation, and she anticipates that they would accept it still this afternoon, and they are prepared with that acceptance to begin vaccinating 12 and above tomorrow at the fairgrounds. She said as soon as they receive that documentation, they will share it, we will share it as well, and at that point they will change the county website to allow 12-year-olds to be vaccinated. She encouraged that for a child to do the appointment ahead of time, just that way they're not trying to go through all those steps out there at the site, but they will also do it 9 to 5 at the site if they don't register online.
Right. So once we get that notification from the health department, we will post it up. And then, because we've been getting a lot of calls about that this afternoon, a couple of messages on here today. And I think that's encouraging to where we can get.
And that gives us 2 weeks at the fairgrounds where our numbers now for everyone else, we're down to 300 a day or 300 to 500 a day. So we have plenty of capacity to take care of all those newly eligible people.
Right.
Children, youth, whatever.
Yep,
It's all a good
12
thing.
years and up. So that's the good thing. And as we tell you each day now, the fairgrounds will be closing their last day, May the 30th. And had a meeting today, getting ready to demobilize that, have the plans in place. But 330 West Main Street will be the center of operations. We provided the chairman with a map today. We're going over that, how we're going to improve that a little bit.
Right on Main Street in Belleville, next to the driver's license station. It's where we have been vaccinating, special groups, people with special needs. We've been giving Moderna there, to follow up, and also Johnson & Johnson. So now we'll be able to bring Pfizer back to 330
Right.
West Main and convenient fashion, just like we're doing at the fairgrounds.
Same thing, we said the other day, we've tried to make this as easy, convenient for our citizens as possible, and I think we've successfully done that, and we're going to continue to do that. If you haven't made your mind up yet, still plenty of time to do so. A call center is still open, available to help you. We encourage you to make those appointments, but if not, 9 to 5, you'll be able to pull in and get registered between now and May 30th. And as we said, we will post a notice later on once we get it from the health department, and then we'll start working on the 12 years old and up. Cindy is with us today. We'll be back in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities, and then we'll be back later on tonight, hopefully with the announcement on the 12-year-old and up, and then we'll be back tomorrow for day 426. Everybody have a good evening.